Alright, so today we're going to be doing a lesson on idioms. So, does anybody know what an idiom is? Josh?
A type of figurative language.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of like figurative language. Can you have an example of one?
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs. So that's the whole idea, right? I have a couple listed here, kind of like shake a leg. What does shake a leg really mean? If someone says shake a leg, are they really going to stand there shaking their leg?
No.
No. Sydney?
It means like when you need to like get moving and like seriously.
Yeah. It's when, yes, it's telling you to start, like step it up, let's get into gear. All of those are idioms right there. That means go, move it fast. Okay? So I have a fun little video that we're going to watch. It's kind of funny. And then we'll talk about it. But I want you to see if you can catch any idioms, if you get the idea of the story, even though it's full of idioms. So notice if you see any. Okay? We're here ready. Send it. Lights.
There's no dirt behind me. My slate is covered.
Anybody have an idiom that they heard?
Don't spill the beans.
Raise your hand, please. So an idiom that you heard, that didn't speak, that they said.
Laughing,
Sanaya.
spill the beans.
Spill the beans. Actually, that's one you saw, right? They showed you an image. So that was just an image, no words involved. What's one that you heard? Sam.
We stabbed him in the back.
Stabbed him in the back, he said. Sure did.
I'm falling apart.
Falling apart.
I killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Anything else? There was lots of them, right? Jaden?
We have bigger fish to fry.
Yeah, right. The little tiny goldfish in the pan.
When you said I'm laughing.
Laughing my... Oh.
Oh my.
Good. All right. So, what we're going to do now is... Well, let me ask you this before we move on. Do you ever use idioms when you speak to your friends or your family? Do you ever just use them, do you think?
No.
Sort of. It depends on the situation.
I think maybe it slips in and you don't even realize it. Do you ever use them in your writing, like in English class or anything?
Oh yeah. I had before.
All right. So, as you go through the world outside of our classroom, I want you to start paying attention if you use them. Maybe you do and you don't even realize it. Like I was just trying to explain, what was the one that get moving?
Shake a leg.
Shake a leg, and I used 3 just trying to explain what that one meant. So you might even use them and not even realize it. All right. So what we're going to do now is, we're going to create a whole bunch of teams, and we're going to have a little competition. You guys like to compete?
Oh yeah.
All right. So what we're going to do is count off, and you have to identify if you're even or odd. What's an even number? Give me an example.
12, 6, 8,
2, 12, 6, 8. Good. And what's an odd number?
6, 8, 5.
All right. All right. So let's count off. Cindy?
3, 4, 5.
All right. So I think that this is what we're going to do next. The person that's sitting right near you without a board is your team member. Okay? So that means you guys, okay? All right. So this is how this works. In your group, I'm going to give you about 20 seconds, 25 seconds to come up with a team name. Whoever's got the pen right now, the odd numbers, can write that team name at the top of the board. So you got about 20 seconds.
What's our team name?
Right,
Write it down. 10 seconds. All right, so this is how it's going to work. I'm going to show you an idiom on the board. And you guys need to read it. Well, we've got 2 roles. First of all, we got a recorder. That's the person with the pen. and then we've got the speaker as the other person. So we're going to take turns alternating roles. So the first round, odd will start with the pen and be the recorder, and even person will be the speaker. And then when we show idiom number 2, we'll switch roles. Okay? So once we have a break, once I show you the first idiom, you guys can discuss, but the speaker gets the last word on the definition. You jot down that definition and make sure that you're helping your teammate record it correctly. Okay? Because after all, they're recording your words. And then we'll talk about the response that you put up, and we'll judge who was right. If you're right, you get a point. If you're not, no points. Everybody get it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I bought this new tool thing. We're going to see if it works. So this is the first one. Well, no, let's switch it because you guys saw this one already.
Yeah.
Whoops. All right, hold on. New tool. Okay. So read it to each other. You guys can talk to each other.
If you could teach it just a bunch of people. So it's like
We got about 10 seconds. All right, time's up. All right, so who's got an answer for us? Who thinks they know this one? First of all, who wants to read it for us from the board? Who would like to read it? Tristan?
Know something inside and out.
To know something inside and out. What do you think that means? Colin?
To know something very well.
To know something very well. How many people agree? Hold up your board if you agree.
Oh.
Let's see. Know every detail. Good job. So that means you knew it very well. So you guys get 1 point. So put a little tally mark on the bottom of your page. Erase and trade.
Jalen.
Oh, no. Go.
Okay, so remember now, the other person, the even number person is going to be the recorder, and the other person is the speaker. Make eye contact with me to let me know that you're ready to move on. Check with me. Eyes. Here. Oh, Tyler, those eyes are scaring me. All right, here we go. On your mark. I'm going to set the timer too. This way we're timed. Ready? Set. Go.
Rise in like